If your business does curbside pickup, restaurant, grocery store, or anything in between, RubberForm's portable sign bases are the last sign bases you'll ever need. These are made from 100% recycled tires, and each sign base weighs 75 pounds. They can easily be deployed to your parking lot just by simply tipping it over and rolling it to its next location. If you're in a high wind area or using a signpost higher than 5 feet, RubberForm has you covered. We have an additional base weight that keeps your signage upright and in front of your customers. The best part of RubberForm's portable sign bases is how easy they are to deploy. Just take the metal post, put it in the square hole, rock it, deploy. Once in place, now comes the signage.
Put your washer on the back, put your bolt on the back, tighten it up, and you're good to go.
Find out more why RubberForm's portable sign bases are the only choice for you.